As humans, using our eyes is very simple. We just look at something and the brain almost instantly draws a picture in our minds. Computers, on the other hand, don't have the same skills as we do, and that is where computer vision comes in. Computer vision is concerned with the automatic extraction, analysis, and understanding of useful information from a single image or a sequence of images. However, computer vision aims to push boundaries to surpass human capabilities, so that it can be used as an aid in our everyday lives. So at this point, you're probably wondering, how does this all work then? How computer vision works depends on the application, but the general idea is the following. Computers get information from the real world by image sensors, typically cameras. Then the image data can go through pre-processing, which means to reduce false information such as noise in the image. After that, the key information of the image is analysed and detected for further processing, such as artificial intelligence or machine learning. Ultimately, the processed data can be used for its application. One example of an application is medical imaging, which is when images of the interior of the body are produced. Different techniques are used to interpret the data from these images as a means of collecting understandable information. The information can be used for things such as medical diagnosis or providing locations of parts inside the body before a surgery. Another application is facial recognition, which uses algorithms to create templates and compare these templates when a face is being identified. Most commonly used is the Viola-Jones algorithm. This algorithm compares the brightnesses differences across the face before analysing nodal points, or specific characteristics and landmarks. Although facial recognition has trivial uses for things like games and apps, it is also crucial in the development of security when a criminal needs to be identified, which brought engineers to the idea of computer-based surveillance. Now programmers can train CCTV cameras not only to register images, but also to analyse them in real time. What does it mean? It means that you are no longer obliged to constantly check your CCTV livestream because it will automatically announce to you when something considerable is happening at the moment. For example, CCTVs can now be trained to alert if they detect an illegal action, like a theft that passed through the security system, or an emergency like a human drowning in the pool. Moreover, using facial recognition algorithms, CCTVs are now also able to be trained to detect most wanted criminals. Though with new revolutionary technologies, engineers have also made unprecedented progress in the area of autonomous cars. An autonomous car is a car that has the power for self-governance. In other words, it can drive for its own using its own computer. What is the purpose of image recognition in this? It provides the required information for a car to understand traffic conditions, achieving a human-like driver behaviour. Autonomous cars are classified on 6 levels, from level 0, which means no automated system at all, to level 5, which only requires the driver to set the destination. Some of the people are still sceptical, considering the difficulties computer vision faces and the errors that can occur from this. No matter how thought-provoking these technologies may sound, we have to be aware that computer vision is still a research area, and there are still plenty of limitations regarding its applications. The medical machines that use this technology, MRI for example, might return inaccurate results such as unwanted shades and therefore misdiagnose patients. Facial recognition has just overtaken human accuracy. However, there are still ways to trick security systems. Autonomous cars are definitely the future of the automotive industry, but even Tesla's autopilot killed the testing driver just because the onboard camera could not tell the difference between the sky and a white truck. Computer vision is expected to be integral to daily human activity and will revolutionize the way we live. Computer vision by itself is useless, but when applications arise, computer vision becomes a necessity. With technological developments in other fields such as artificial intelligence, computer vision will be pivotal in ensuring their success.